Okay, my dear friends, today we are studying about the difference between menstrual cycle and oestrus cycle. Okay, and this is the one of juvenile after juvenile phases of animals. Okay, in that some are egg laid and which are seasonal and which are some are continuous breeder. Okay, in after that in animals, particularly in primates and non-primates, they are divided into a in female reproductive changes occurs in the after juvenile phase. After juvenile phase in female, some changes will occurs. These changes which are produced in a cycles, that's why they are called as oestrus cycle and menstrual cycle. Okay, firstly, what is the main difference? It is very important for example examination purpose. Okay, first one, the difference between oestrus cycle and menstruation cycle. In that first one, the cyclic changes in the activity of ovaries and accessory ducts as well as hormone during the reproductive phase of non-primates, which is non-primate mammals, called oestrus cycle. What is the changes occurs in the oestrus cycles in non-primates, that is oestrus? What are their changes? Mainly the changes activity takes place in the ovaries, the production of ovaries, ovulation process, and through the accessory ducts. These accessory ducts are nothing but uterus, fallopian tubes, and ovaries, ovary duct, and these all we are called as accessory ducts, as well as some hormone variation also changes. The hormones of a females are estrogen and progesterone. When the estrogen will form, after that only this cycle will be activates or the proper oestrus cycle will be occurs. Okay, and this is occurred in the non-primates, it one called as oestrus cycle. Okay, in menstruation cycle, the all process of oestrus cycle is same, but it is occurs in primates, which is occurred in primates. That's one we called as menstrual cycle. Okay, and second difference, in oestrus cycle, female shows strong irresistible sexual urge. Irresistible sexual urge means a powerful forcible mating which will be occurs in the females of oestrus cycle. But in menstruation cycle, there is not any irresistible or forcing sexual contact occurs in the menstruation cycle. Okay, and third one is there is heat production at the time of ovulation. Ovulation is nothing but a formation of ovules in the ovary. The process of formation of ovules in the ovary, this process we called ovules, and copulation occurs only at that period. Copulation is mating of male and female, we called as copulation. Okay, and also we called as sambhoga in Kannada. ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಂಭೋಗ ಆಗ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ವೆನ್ ದ ಓವ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್, ದ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಓವ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ produced when during the after the heat production, the ovulation will takes place. At that time is a time to a copulation. And second, here in menstruation cycle there is a no heat period. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಓವ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಹೀಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ವೆನ್ ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಮೇಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆಕರ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ದಿ difference, the shading of endometrium and bleeding not occurs. Shading means after the ovulation or there is no occurrence of fertilization, after that the endometrium will collapse and after it will be bleeds, and these type of bleeding is not occur in the oestrus cycle but it occurs in the menstrual cycle. Okay, and last, the example of oestrus cycles and menstruation cycles, non-primates and primates. Non-primates are cow, sheep, rat, deer, dogs, tigers, etc. And primates means monkey, apes, and human beings, gorillas. These all are called as primates. Okay, thank you.